me what your names are.
Kim.
I'm Jason.
What'd you get done today?
We got the 15% pulley.
We also got an Alta intake from here too. Aaron specializes in just the mini parts, and it's great to have a company that just does that. We love our Mini, and we love all the great things that they offer. Everything we've got, he's been really helpful. We like shopping with Aaron because he's friendly, and we've known him from being on the internet. He always answers any questions, and he's very informative with everything. Really easy to talk to, and everything that he has to offer, he's really knowledgeable about and helpful about.
Did you test drive it yet?
Yep.
And what'd you think of it?
We had grins. That's.
It was a lot of fun. It felt good.